Good afternoon, Rita. It is officially the warmest day of 2023 so far. It is currently 20 degrees in the Northern Highlands. There's been some beautiful sunshine around here through the morning. This is a picture from earlier from far in the Northern Highlands. Now, also there was a lot of early sunshine on the golf course here in Norfolk this morning, but actually along the coasts of Norfolk and Suffolk, some low cloud has been closing in off the North Sea. But by Friday, if anything, it looks like it'll become more unsettled towards the south. But in contrast to last week, what a difference. Last week, it was pretty much relentless rain. This week, considerably drier, but it's just that chilly breeze that will take the edge off things. Come the weekend, though, well, we go back around the cycle once again. Low pressure starts to roll in and many of us will see some outbreaks of rain. Could turn chillier again as well later on Sunday, but we'll keep you posted on that.
Hello there, good afternoon. It was a cloudy, mild start to this morning with a few early outbreaks of rain too. Not that you'd know it now because there's been lots of blue sky and sunshine that's since developed, as recorded by our weather watcher here in sunny Croydon and again in Winchmore Hill. And there will be a lot more sunshine as we head through the rest of the afternoon.
Hi there, good evening. We are halfway through April, we're halfway through meteorological spring, and this might not come as a surprise. It's actually been a little bit cooler than average. It's certainly been wetter than normal, and it's also been rather dull.
It was rather wonderful today, wasn't it, for a lot of us?
It was for some of us, Sophie. I had to go out and say that some western areas were quite cloudy, but for us across eastern England and certainly northern and western Scotland, it was a glorious day. We saw temperatures of 22.3 Celsius in Achnagat in the Highlands, and making it the warmest day of the year so far across the UK. You'll see the wind speeds as well a little bit higher, particularly along North Sea coast, and it will feel chilly. That's because the sea temperatures at the lowest at the moment after the winter, of course. They will start to warm up, but only 8 or 9 degrees at the North Sea. So with the wind coming straight off it, it will feel chilly along North Sea coast.
Hello, there was plenty of sunshine out there this afternoon. Great afternoon for a bike ride or indeed a scoot here in Colshalton, and some lovely cherry blossom there to set it off as well.
Now, today was officially the UK's warmest day of the year so far, with a temperature of 20.2 Celsius recorded in the Scottish Highlands. Alex is here with all the weather. Is it too good to last?
I'm not sure it's going to last the whole week, but this week on the whole isn't looking too bad. There are signs of something a little bit cooler as we get towards the end of this week into the weekend. But let's take a look at the situation for today. And actually, it is our warmest day of the year so far, as Mary hinted. But our top temperature was 21.2 degrees Celsius. It's been rising, and that was in Kinlochio in Scotland earlier today. And it's the latest in the year that it's taken us this long to get to 20 degrees at least. The last time it took this long was in 2016. So let's take a look at why it's all been pretty warm and very spring-like today. If we take a look at our air mass and jet stream chart, you'll notice that I'm sure we can show it to you in just a second, but we do have an air mass chart which basically shows the warm air over the UK. Here it is. And that's basically going to get a little bit pushed out as we get towards the end of this week. However, tomorrow we've still got the warmer air mass over us, so things aren't looking too bad at all. And there's a fair bit of high pressure around. So yes, 21.2 degrees Celsius today. Chance of 20 degrees, I think, is very likely tomorrow.
OK, so it's not too bad, but it's not going to stay quite as lovely as it was.
Exactly. Make the most of it whilst it's here.
OK. All right, Alex, thank you very much indeed.